welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a topic: what is the reason behind unhappiness in humans' life? Well, the reason behind unhappiness in human life is very simple. First of all, we expect too much from life. We expect too much from life, and our life are set with few limited things that we get overall in our life, and we refuse to accept that. So in this process we remain unhappy in our life throughout our life. So the limited things, whatever we get, the house, clothing, family, friends, gifts, things, materials, car, house, whatever, tours, so all this comprises our expectations, and universe has decided something for us, that much only we get. And yes, of course, many people are there which they don't highlight is that they get lots of experiences in life which they can use as career, can use them to motivate people, to help people. Those experiences are very valuable, but no one counts them as an asset, but those are the biggest asset. Many people don't get big house, big car, but they are happy with whatever knowledge they get. So in that process, those people are the happiest one. But few people, even after having those experiences, valuable experiences, don't realize, and they are not able to nurture it and experience it. So thus they remain at the back behind those successful people, and they start thinking that how these people are getting success, how others are doing better, where's the difference between me and that successful person. So this way things go on. Secondly thing is, we keep a very much unrealistic expectation from life. That is, we start imaginations to come real in our life. Most of the time imaginations don't work that way. How imaginations work, I will explain it to you in a different video. So many people, they feel that imaginations, whatever they are imagining, are going to come in real, but actually the process is not going to happen that way. Whatever you imagine is not going to happen in life. So of course, most of the 90% of the thing is going to have in the rule of universe. So we have to accept that whatever comes on our way, we have to be happy with that. We have to be satisfied with whatever we have got. So whatever resources we have, what we can do is that we have intelligence, as God has gifted us with intelligence. We can use our intelligence and add them with the surrounding resources and create different things in our life. Thus we become the most wonderful person by experience, by nature, and by behavior, by personality. So this way we can get new things, new creative things. So life is all about experiences, learning, enjoying, happiness and sadness, everything. So we don't realize this, and there we remain unhappy throughout our life. So our next thing is that we tend to extract happiness from others. We try to extract happiness from others, be it by insulting other, by hurting other, or by making others feel very low. But this is not the way to be happy, because when we are trying to insult other, of course we are not going to be happy. We are not going to feel happy because the other person is not happy. So happiness is not something you put someone down and you get uplifted. It's not that way it works. Happiness is something when you share your good feelings, or you show a very cordial behavior to someone, you show a very good behavior to someone. So automatically it comes back to you and it's spread, and thus that's way we keep happy. So this is the process to be happy in life. Many a times we don't realize our qualities, our experiences, our ideas, our talents. So it's better to understand, to focus on oneself, to understand one's capabilities, and to try to understand what's potential you have, or some other person of whom you are thinking so much, you are using your much of the time of your life to think about. So this way you can, of course, understand the qualities and nurture them and get the best out of it, and thus you can be happy. So guys, I guess it was clear to you. I won't be making it very longer. So thank you friends, hope you all are doing well, and keep peace and love within yourself.